Great opportunity for you to build your empire with real estate. Maybe you're with your first deal or you're getting into your 100th deal. Today we're talking about multifamily properties, building that mailbox money, passive income for the future. We have a new program that was just released. You can buy a multifamily up to 4 units with only 5% down, guys. Great opportunity for you to build your empire with real estate. Maybe you're with your first deal or you're getting into your 100th deal. 5% down multifamily is a no-brainer on conventional financing. Normally, it's been 25% down. You can buy a multifamily up to 4 units, only 5% down. So it's a wonderful opportunity. There are some requirements. I want you to be aware of them. You have to have at least a 700 credit score. It's full documentation, right? The property cannot need rehab. It has to be move-in ready. Your debt ratio has to be below 45%. You have to have 6 months reserves. So these are the main requirements for this, okay? You have to occupy one of the units. So these are some of the main requirements to get this program. But if you feel that you meet these requirements, I want to hear from you. Call or text us 832-431-6331. Reach out to Angelo Christian, your direct nationwide lender for the last 2 decades.